guys, welcome to my channel. So let's just get straight to the video for today. So today I'll be relaxing my natural hair. I actually thought about it. I've been thinking about it for like 3 months. Like, is this a right decision? Should I go for it? Should I not? But natural hair is good, it's great, the community is large, it's beautiful, but you know, sometimes a girl just want to change, and I feel like, you know what, I'm tired of it. Actually, for me, I'm tired of it. I started being natural, I think that was July 2017. Yeah, that was when I cut my relaxed hair and started natural. So yeah, I have this 3-year growth here, but right now I just want another change for myself. Like, I just want to see, you know, I just want a change for me. That's just the explanation I can give to it. And when I was relaxed, my hair was going very healthy. Yeah, it was not like maybe I had issue, that was why I transitioned. It was going very healthy. So right now I'll just change it, and I'll see what it brings. Hopefully it brings me more joy. Yeah, I know so. I hope so. It brings more joy, right? So yeah, so let's just go right into the video. Let's avoid too much stories. So keep watching if you're interested, and please, it's my decision. You don't have to, because I saw some posts, some YouTubers whereby people comment and they give them bad reviews that, oh, would you relax your hair, this, that. It is my hair, so I can do what I want, right? So far I'm maintaining it all. Like, you have relaxed, you have natural. If you are not keeping it, if you are not maintaining it well, it's just going to be like back to school, and it's just be as if you're wasting your time. So yeah, let's get straight right into the video. Using this product, the olive oil relaxer. This is the product I used initially when I was relaxed before I went natural. So yeah, we have the relaxer, we have the activator. Let me just to be fast about this, we'll just go through it. So yeah, and this, we have the shampoo, the moisturizer, the most replenishing pack. So guys, sectioning the hair, I'll section it into 4, so it will be much easier for me to work with. So that's what I'm doing right now. Section the hair into 4 equal parts. Yeah. I'm applying cream to the front of my head and the back, the side, to avoid burning while relaxing the hair. Nobody wanted to get burnt. So after that, I'm using the glove to protect my hand, and I'm mixing the activator with the relaxer. So after that, I will use the stick that came with it and use it to mix both the activator and the relaxer. You have to make sure you mix it well. Should be well mixed. Yeah, so that was what I just did there, mixing it. Yeah, so it can actually do what you want it to do. Yeah, so I mix it. Starting from the back, I'm trying to make it as fast, so I don't want to bore you guys, you know. So yeah, starting from the back, taking it section by section, applying the relaxer. But I didn't really apply it to the tip immediately, and I didn't really apply it to the roots, because the roots, it's actually get fast to relax. Yeah, so you want to apply it from the, like a bit from the root to the, almost to the hand, but not to the hand, not to the tip of your head. Do you understand? So that's what I'm doing. I've applied the relaxer on the first section, also on the second. So yeah, I have the third. I was supposed to roll it. I didn't roll it, but if you want to do this, you have to make sure you roll it so that it won't be touching your skin, you know. So yeah, the third section, doing the same thing, applying the relaxer on my hair. Yeah, so you just massage after. Yeah, you can see, so I finally rolled it. So yeah, and the fourth section to apply the relaxer very fast. While you're doing it, you must not be very slow, so that it won't end up burning you. So you still want to be fast with it, and you make sure you're applying it very well. So yeah, olive oil is actually my go-to relaxer. So That's just what I was using as I mentioned earlier on. So yeah, same thing here. So I just applied it and roll it. Guys, so my friend had to help me to finish up, so we did that off camera, so we are done right now. So it's actually relaxed, so I'll go wash it and come back. I will have my hair after relaxing washing. This is the whole of my hair. So I blow dried it as well. So this was after blow drying, and this is all we have. I don't have much my edges, but I think I'm still okay. See my hair. So after that, I will straighten it. I've already blow dried it, so I'll just section it into 4 equal parts, so I can into 2 equal parts. Sorry, so I can have my way around it easily. So starting from the back, I'll be relaxing it from the back. So I just try to divide this one into 2. Then I'll take it like bit by bit, starting from the back. I already applied my moisturizer. There was a moisturizer that came with the relaxer. Then I used shea butter and another oil. I use coconut oil as well. Yeah, I love coconut oil. Yeah, I can see. I make sure I don't really run the straightener through it like that, but because I already use a heat protectant, so I'm fine. After that, I try to trim off my split ends, yeah, because we don't want any split ends for this hair growth journey. Yeah, so taking it section by section. As I mentioned, I already applied my moisturizer, shea butter, the oil, and the heat protectant before straightening. So I'm just taking it section by section. We'll comb through, then use the straightener. So that's it. I'm tired. Like, I'm so tired. But this is my final look. Can't see that. So yeah. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and share. See you guys in my next video. Bye.